Now it is a crucial day for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The High Court is hearing his plea on two things. One is he challenged the CBI arrest. The other is that he is seeking bail in the alleged Delhi liquor policy. My colleague Ishika Verma is also joining me on the broadcast from outside the High Court. Ishika, if you can give us the details and the arguments that are going on inside the courtroom.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, today is certainly a very crucial hearing for Arvind Kejriwal in the CBI case that he has been arrested in. Here, in fact, if we talk about the hearing is already underway, and it is the Kejriwal's counsel currently which is making the arguments, and Abhishek Manu Singhvi is in fact appearing for Arvind Kejriwal. And today also he went on to say that the arrest by the CBI is nothing but an insurance arrest. He goes on to say, that there are no grounds of arrest for doing the arrest that CBI did, and it is more of a sham arrest, is what Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said in the court. In fact, let me also tell you that Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said that on June 25th, the application to arrest Kejriwal was moved, and the same day the order was passed allowing it. Now, in fact, he goes on to say that the only satisfactory answer that I can give according to them is that I demanded 100 crore rupees. What is their satisfaction? Admission of guilt. In fact, Singhvi has gone on to, cite the various pages, of the CBI's application also in the court. And he has said that, in fact, all of this, says that the CBI does not have any grounds of arresting him. And this was more of an insurance arrest. It was more of a sham arrest that CBI did in this case. He, in fact, has also questioned the timing of arrest by the CBI. And also, in fact, again and again, he has question as to what was the necessity of arrest. He also goes on to say that this time he has 3 court orders that is in fact in favor of Arvind Kejriwal, and one being Supreme Court's judgment of giving Arvind Kejriwal the interim bail. And there also he has said that the Supreme Court itself had observed that in fact mere interrogation cannot be made a grounds of arrest. So that also today has been cited by Abhishek Manu Singhvi here in the court today. So certainly we are waiting that for a rebuttal from the CBI's counsel as well. But so far it is Arvind Kejriwal's counsel who goes on to say again and again in the court that it is more of an insurance arrest. And in fact, Singhvi is saying that I have got released 3 times. Twice by the Supreme Court and once by the trial court, that is the Rouse Avenue Court. Unless your lordships find something earth-shattering, what is wrong in me seeking bail now? So these are the questions that Abhishek Manu Singhvi appearing for Arvind Kejriwal is asking here in the High Court.